Error 31 in League of Legends is a client-side connection error that prevents successful communication with Riot Games' servers. When this happens, you'll see a message that says, "There was an error communicating with the server. Please try again later." Error 31. It arises during login, matchmaking, or even mid-game, disrupting your connection. This error isn't usually about hardware problems, but more about network instability or server overloads, especially during major events like the World Championship Finals. Firewalls, VPNs, or even your ISP throttling your connection can trigger this error, interrupting the game's data transmission. This error interrupts the game's data transmission, which uses specific TCP UDP ports like 2099. As of late 2025, Error 31 affects approximately 2 to 3% of daily logins worldwide, with mobile and console versions showing higher incidences due to variable network conditions. Fortunately, Error 31 is often fixable on your end. Start by restarting your League of Legends client and your computer. Next, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Temporarily disable your firewall and VPN to see if they're interfering. Community experts say that VPNs cause 25% of the errors, so it is best to disable it. If that fixes it, you'll need to configure your firewall or VPN to allow League of Legends to connect properly. As one notable case study revealed, antivirus software can sometimes block necessary ports, so check that as well. You can also try switching to an Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. If the problem persists, Riot's support portal now offers AI-driven troubleshooting guides, or you can contact Riot support for further assistance. Remember that Riot is working on phasing out legacy error codes like this, and experts predict a significant drop in the frequency of Error 31 by 2027 through AI fixes.